Hey, this is a message to subscribers to my newsletter, Crypto is Easy. If you are not subscribed, check the link in the description below, head on over, and if you like what you see, please go ahead and sign up. I wanted to really quickly talk about what I've called the Bitcoin dilemma. It's specific to this moment. I know that a lot of people saw a little dip today, about 4%, and might be concerned that this is a big crash, and it might be. But here's the thing, Bitcoin just went too far too fast. The market wasn't ready for it. Bitcoin wasn't ready for it. All this attention, all this momentum, all this interest. So the thing is, right now, if all you want to do is make money off of the rise in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is not where you need to be. You need to be in altcoins. But here's the thing. If you want to know my reasoning, go to the newsletter. But here's the thing. Both can go down 50% right now, today, and that would be totally normal. Not only would it be normal, it would be healthy, and after a 50% drop, both would continue a very natural and healthy upward movement, an upswing. They're both heading up. But nothing goes up in a straight line, except, obviously, Bitcoin right now. And that's a bad time to get into any asset of any kind, Bitcoin or otherwise. You never want to buy into the parabola when it's a parabola going up, which is why I have recommended, look at altcoins. Both Bitcoin and altcoins could crash 50% today, right now. But when they recover, there is so much more momentum coming into alts than people realize. Now, is it more than Bitcoin? We'll see. But it's a lot more than people realize. And frankly, if it weren't for Bitcoin just going parabolic right now, I would be even more confident about getting into alts. The problem is, if Bitcoin crashes, it would be hard for me to see that Bitcoin can crash and the altcoins go up. They may not crash as much as Bitcoin, or they may crash more. That's the dilemma, which is you want to get in. Things are popping. Things are going crazy. Now alts are starting to wake up. You feel like, okay, this is the chance. Got to get in. But you don't want to buy the parabola. Nobody should be buying a parabola. And when you look at Bitcoin, if it keeps going up, it might double or triple, maybe quadruple before, if you're following my plan for the bull market, you're going to sell. You're going to get out because that's going to be the market cycle peak. But altcoins have so much more room to run. So much more room to run. So for me, it's just a very difficult decision. You're late, but you won't always be late, because once things settle down, it'll be amazing. It'll be a perfect opportunity to get into the market. The thing is, we don't know when that's going to be. We don't know what the price is going to be when it settles down. We know that that's the time where you want to get in. We don't know whether that's going to be better than this moment today or not. And in the near term, a 50% crash is, not only is it realistic, it's happened before, it's temporary, and it's very healthy, which is why I don't think we're going to get it, but we might. And I'd say it's a 50-50 chance. Either we crash now or we go up to the market cycle peak. And not literally now, like this moment when I record this video. I'm just saying very soon, when weeks, not months, weeks, maybe days. Bitcoin can run, the crypto can run a lot longer than you think. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a good time to get in. But that's the dilemma, that's the choice. I just want to make sure that I'm on record saying, as much as when I say, hey, it's a great time to get into alts, it's a great time to get into alts, not because they are necessarily going to go straight up right now, but because when you're trying to make money off of crypto, you missed Bitcoin, but alts are in a really great situation. The same downside you get with Bitcoin at this moment, not long term, but just at this moment, the same downside, the same risks, the same potential losses. It's the same with Bitcoin and alts, but the alts have so much more room to run. So that's the thing. And it's a hard choice. It's a difficult choice. If you've been following my plan, this is easy because, and I know a lot of you guys, you're new and you just found me or you just got into the market. It's fine. There's no problem. Please, this is not something to stress about. Crypto should not be something you stress about. If you're not subscribed to Crypto is Easy, sign up right now. I will explain more in more depth and more detail exactly what I'm thinking. Relax and enjoy the ride.